Okay guys, just open settings, then scroll up, then you can see the option of display and brightness. Just open it. You can see the option of night shift. Now it is turned off. Just click on it. You can tap on manually enable until tomorrow. Okay, just tap on it. Now it is turned on. Then you can adjust the warm light like this, lows or more warm. Can just adjust for your eyes which one you prefer. It's one of the very good useful feature. It's a blue light filter. Also it's very good for if you use your mobile phone reading white screens for a longer time. Always this feature is good for nighttime mobile using, because if you watch more blue light with your eyes, that's create some problems on your mind and your eyes. That's it guys. Okay guys, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.